And today, special thanks to our friends at i-Blason who were nice enough to send us this Google 10/10 Pro XL Armorbox case. Now, inside of this is a i-Blason case for Google Pixel 10. Nothing else in there. So we have the case, some little warranty info, and of course, setup guide. Now this case has a full screen protector, and this is not a cutout. This is actually, there's actual screen there, and it just gets your fingerprint through the screen. Now I will recommend to make sure that if you've already set up your fingerprint reader before you put this case on, to just add more fingers afterwards or reset it up. I would highly recommend that. Now this one does have the protector for the USB-C port, your speaker grills, buttons, nice grip on the side here, really like that. And to take the case apart, you just grab at this corner, pull down, and pull the case apart like so. And then you got a back, foam, a front, and it's kind of the same way putting the case together. You take your Pixel 10, put it in buttons first on this top case. This would then protect the screen entirely, and your phone would be encased in this. And then you would just take it and fit it down into here. I normally go the top first and then work my way around, making this very last. Now, one of my favorite features about this case is it does have a kickstand. So you can pop this kickstand out to put your phone vertical or horizontal, however you may need, and just pop it back down when you're done. There's a little i-Blason logo there, but outside of that, there's no real big branding or logos besides Armorbox, which, I mean, this is a phenomenal case to protect your Pixel 10. So thanks again to my friends at i-Blason who were nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you one of the best Pixel 10 cases that there is. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.